Yeah. Okay, guys, we are going to check the LED of our television. This is our LED tester. So we are going to test now the LED if it is if still okay or no. So we have 3 lines. Okay, 3 lines positive. It's 300 volts, only for 300 volts. I will check one line. This is positive. Oh, it's 93 volts. Yeah, din. Hello. It's 93 volts. Now you will see at the side it was working. Okay. The other line. It's 92.8 volts, and also it's working. From line 3, ninety-three point six volts. Okay. Masa ditutok? Ilta. Okay, line 4. Okay, it is 93.4. Then all LED are still okay. Okay. Yun. Okay, thank you. That's for now, everyone. Oh.
Patay. Ha?